Welcome to the My Aged Care video that provides an overview of how to become an approved provider and accessing the My Aged Care Provider Portal. Please note that this process does not apply to Commonwealth Home Support Program providers, as they are not approved providers under the Aged Care Act. This video will inform you about the process to become an approved provider and how to locate the relevant application forms required, the system interactions between the National Approved Provider System and My Aged Care, and how to access and set up your organisation in the My Aged Care Provider Portal. This diagram shows the different steps that must be undertaken by the organisation and Department of Health for the end-to-end process of how an organisation is established with My Aged Care, including the various system interactions that support this process. The red arrow shows the process that must be completed by an organisation wishing to become an approved provider of Commonwealth Aged Care services. The green arrows indicate the automated components of the process. Lastly, the grey arrows indicate manual steps that are completed by the Department of Health with the service provider. Access to the My Aged Care Provider Portal and Public Service Finders are available to service providers who are directly funded by the Commonwealth by a contract or grant agreement. The first step in the process is to apply to become an approved provider. Information on how to become an approved provider, the relevant application forms, and answers to some commonly asked questions can be found on the Department's website. This webpage also includes contact information if you require additional support. If your application to become an approved provider is successful, the Department will enter your organisation's contractual information into the National Approved Provider System, commonly referred to as NAPS. Once this step is completed, your organisation's details will automatically migrate from NAPS into the My Aged Care system. When a new organisation is created in My Aged Care, a notification is sent to the Department via email. Once the Department has received the notification that an organisation has been created, the organisation will be contacted to appoint an organisation administrator to access the provider portal. Once the organisation administrator has been set up, they can log in to the My Aged Care Provider Portal to manage the organisation's details. The newly appointed organisation administrator is then able to create staff accounts, including additional organisation or outlet administrators. A range of support material, including fact sheets, quick reference guides videos, are available on the Department's Information for Service Providers webpage. That concludes this video on how to become an approved provider and access the My Aged Care Provider Portal. For links to additional information and support, please visit the Department's website. After reading the Department's support material, if you are still experiencing problems using the portal, please contact the My Aged Care Service Provider and Assessor helpline.